All right, so Spider-Man Remastered is finally on PC. I've played it on the PlayStation 5 and the PlayStation 4 already. You know, I bought it on the PlayStation 4 4 years ago when it actually came out in 2018. And then I played the remastered version, you know, about 2 years ago when the PlayStation 5 released, and they released a remastered version of it. So now it's on PC, and there are PC features that I'd like to really put to the test. I'd like to see how well the game, you know, handles, how much better it gets. There's also going to be a lot of modding going on in the game, and I honestly think that this game is already a masterpiece, so the modding community is gonna go crazy with this one right here. Let me know down in the comment section what games you guys want to see PlayStation bring to PC. For me personally, I want to see Ghost of Tsushima, you know, brought to PC next. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go over all the new PC features that comes with the PC version of Spider-Man Remastered. The first one is PC optimized graphics. On PC, you can get a variety of resolutions as well as frame rates. So performance and graphics are a lot better than, you know, on consoles. You now have the option to, you know, play with a wide variety of graphics options, you know, tailored to different devices. Like for example, if you have a Steam Deck, now you can play directly on that. So there's also now support for, you know, other technologies like NVIDIA's DLSS as well as DLAA. So DLSS and DLAA will help you in improving performance as well as image quality. So it enhances it if you have, you know, an NVIDIA graphics card. But if you have an AMD graphics card, it's also got support for AMD's FSR 2.0. So that right there is an upscaling method. So it'll help you upscale the quality of image. That way you get even better image quality. And honestly, with my 3080 Ti GPU, it's amazing. Everything works smoothly. You can check out some 4K 60 HDR footage by following the link at the top of the screen right now. All right, another feature that's come to PC with the game is support for ultra-wide monitors. So now you've got a whole bunch of different aspect ratios that you can work with. So you can work with 16:9, you can work with 16:10, 32:9, all kinds of different resolutions. And honestly, if you have an ultra-wide, say like an Alienware 34-inch ultra-wide or just any ultra-wide, now you know that you can play, you know, utilizing the entire screen, getting the best quality you can get at really, really good frame rates. If you decide to play with a PS5 DualSense controller, then you'd be glad to know that you can utilize haptic feedback as well as adaptive triggers, you know, by connecting it directly to your PC. You have to have a wired USB connection to, you know, gain access to those features. But you can also gain a lot of customization options with keyboard and mouse. Like you can do so much, you can change it however you want. And if what you've got is an Xbox controller, then you can also use that as well. As for the PC requirements for playing this game, it's not that demanding. Like you don't really need like a top of the line GPU to, you know, play the game. These days, most gaming PCs pretty much come with a minimum of 16 gigabytes of, you know, onboard RAM, at least from what I've noticed so far. Like you basically need about 8 gigabytes of RAM for the minimum side, and for the recommended requirements, you need 16 gigabytes of RAM. So I don't think you're gonna struggle to play the game if you have a decent gaming rig. So I've got a 3080 Ti and it works flawlessly. I'm able to play at the maximum graphics, you know, using DLSS, DLAA, HDR, and all the good stuff. But I don't think you're going to be able to use, you know, the maximum graphics with the minimum requirements or the recommended requirements. You're gonna need a little bit more than that to maximize, you know, all the features on PC. Let me know down in the comment section if you've played this game before on, you know, PS5 or PS4, and if you're gonna be playing it on PC. Also, if you've never played it before and you're a PC gamer, let me know down in the comment section if you're going to be picking it up. I definitely recommend going for it if you're a PC gamer and you've never played this game. Go ahead and have some fun with it. I wish I could, you know, wipe my memory and go back in time so I don't remember, you know, the story mode, because it's one of the best story games that I've actually played. And I can't wait to see what Insomniac have got up their sleeves for Wolverine and Spider-Man 2, which should be coming out in 2023, which is next year. It's not even that far from now, but that's what I've got for you guys in this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button to be notified whenever I drop brand new videos. But I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video.